friends, I'm Edita Sitar from Laundry Basket Quilts. Welcome to Quilting Window. Guess what? Today's the day. Diamond number 24. Last diamond for our beautiful Tahoe quilt alone. This has been so much fun to do with you guys. And I know when you see this diamond, you're gonna say, did I've done this before? Yes, you did. We've made this diamond once before. But for me, splitting the diamonds into sets of 8 was something I was able to do it myself. And this is how I created the pattern. I made sure that you make 8 at a time, 8 at a time, 8 at a time, similar designs, but maybe a little bit different colors. So don't you worry. Today, another 8 diamonds, and you can mark it off. You got it done. The next thing that we have to do is put our diamonds together, and I will tell you more about it through our live show. We're probably gonna be doing that together in our live show, so that way you can see how I'm putting the diamonds together, what sections I'm sewing first. It is gonna be so exciting. I can't wait for that. But before we get there, guess what? We have one more diamond to do, and then Thanksgiving, and then we can put our quilt together. All right, so let's do it. This is gonna be so exciting. For this diamond, I'm gonna be making sets, strip sets that are nice and small. There are only 2 strips in the set, and I have 4 of those strip sets, as well as I need another set of strips, this time 2 strips, just one on the top of the other, and from those I cut 2.5-inch diamonds. I already did that. I used my beautiful ruler. From the smallest strip set, I cut 1.5-inch sections, and I brought it for you guys so you can see it. I'm gonna line them up to a beautiful design, a small diamond, another small beautiful diamond, look at that, so pretty, and another one, those 2 single nice big pink diamonds. Isn't it great? So what you need to do now, you're gonna take those small diamonds, you're gonna place them right sides together, you're gonna find that middle. Let's make sure to last minute I don't let you guys down. You're gonna find that middle. You're gonna now go ahead, pin it, pin in the front, pin in the back. Make sure you lined up everything, stitch beautifully. If you need it, pin and pin here, so now none of the points shift and move. Once you finish sewing this part, you're gonna go ahead and do the same thing right here to create those beautiful diamond units made from 4 small diamonds. Now you're gonna go ahead, sew this to this and this to this by just placing it right sides together and stitching it, flipping it open, making sure that all your seam allowances are open. You need to use your beautiful little hand tool to open those seams, and then you're gonna match it up right there, and again stitch, pin it, and then stitch, because you want to have a beautiful diamond unit just like this one. And look at it in the back, all my seams are nicely open, all my diamonds are matching so nice, and I have a beautiful diamond set. And now I can go ahead, relax, enjoy, have some good yummy food, and then we be ready to put our diamonds together into the quilt. If you're just joining us in and you're super excited about this project, go visit our website at laundrybasketquilts.com. We have blogs. We have 20-some blogs that we created, from housekeeping to basic directions for cutting and creating strip panels to 24 diamonds. This has been incredible event that you allow us to be a part of it with you. And now the only last thing that we have to do is put our diamonds together into a beautiful quilt. And yes, you can do it. The hardest part of work has been done. Now it's just slowly taking one step at a time, using all the skills that I have taught you, from pinning to trimming to making sure that nothing's stretched, to ironing, to pressing your seams open. We're gonna apply all those rules as we sewing our diamonds together into beautiful wedges, and then putting the wedges together into a beautiful quarters of the quilt, half of the quilt, and then a full beautiful Tahoe quilt with additional pieces for a background. But that's next time I'm gonna see you guys. Happy quilting, and stay tuned for more information about this wonderful project.